Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Abby. I am a YouTuber based in Dallas, United States. I'm a fashion, lifestyle, and motherhood vlogger. I'm a fashion designer, and we had a fashion show, you all. Yay! Oh my God, it's been a long time coming. So, this show was organized by Slay Magazines and 50 Shades of Slay, sorry. I was given an opportunity to showcase my designs alongside other beautiful designers. So I was so privileged. It wasn't easy at all. I put all these dresses together myself. It took a very long time to get this all together. But at the fashion show, I got a lot of help from families, models, and the organizers of the event. So we thank God everything went well. Everything went by so fast. And I understand why they say it takes a village. You can complete that sentence. And I won't lie to you. It was very scary at the beginning, but thank God everything went perfectly as planned, and the event was a success. Today, I would like to encourage my fellow fashionistas who are looking forward to, or working so hard to be noticed in your creative minds. Please do not be discouraged. Don't give up. We will get there someday soon. And I am far from where I am going, but I am also sure very far from where I used to be. It's just a process. So you guys keep your fingers crossed, and we'll get there someday. And I would leave you to enjoy this beautiful show. But please, my fellow fashionistas and my beautiful, people that are interested in fashion, please subscribe to this channel. I will definitely follow back. Let us create this unique community together. Please subscribe, like, share, comment, and hit the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. This is the actual fashion show. So let me leave you to enjoy it. Thank you so much. I remain Bimtessy. Until next time, bye-bye. Thank you.
So cute. Yeah, so nice.